Good morning students. 10th mathematics class. Already studied Cartesian product and relation. Then today we are going to the topic function. Today is going to function. Right. Already studied the above two topics, Cartesian product and relation. Right. Function is a subset of relation, and also relation is a subset of Cartesian product. And both of them, function and relation is a subset of Cartesian product. Okay. Today we are going to the topic function. What do you mean by function? The definition of function. A relation f between two non-empty sets. One of the set x, another set y. If for each small x belongs to capital X, there exists only one small y belongs to capital Y. This is a definition for function. Okay, right. Such that small x comma y. What is this? This is an ordered pair. This ordered pair belongs to f, and it is denoted by mathematically the function f is equal to set of all x comma y such that for all x belongs to capital X comma y belongs to capital Y. Right, this is a definition for function. Right, okay. A function f from x to y is written as a function f from x to y is written as f from x to y. This is a important point number 1. Number 2, capital X is called domain. Capital X. This is capital X. This is capital Y. What is the value of X? 1, 2, 3, 4. What is Y? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the arrow diagram. Already studied arrow diagram. This what is X? X is a domain. Y is a codomain. Okay, what is this? This is arrow diagram. Right. X is called domain, Y is called codomain. Next, point number 4. If f of A equal to B, then B is called image. Then B is called image. A is called pre-image. What is this? For example, f of 1 is equal to 3. F of 1 is equal to 3. What is this? This is B. What is this? This is A. A is called pre-image, B is called image. Here, 1 is pre-image, 3 is image. Okay. Next. Very important. The given function is it function or not? How to find the given statement is function or not? What is the definition? What is the important point? How to find function or not? Satisfies the two statements. First one, f from x to y is a function only if compulsory the given statement is a function or not. This is function satisfies these two statements. First one, every element in the domain of f has an image. Every element in the domain. Every element. Here one is the element of x has the image of y. So 1 is a pre-image, phi is a image. So every element in the domain of F has an image. The image is unique. The image is unique. Very, very important point. The domain. What is the value of domain? The domain value is 1 and 2. Codomain. Codomain is 3 and 4. This arrow diagram, this arrow diagram function or not satisfies the two statements. What is the first one? Every element in the domain of F has an image. Every element. What are the elements? Here, the domain's elements are 1 and 2. Has an image. 1 has an image of 3. 2 has an image of 4. So, this is function or not? Yes, it is function. Satisfies the given two statements. Every element in the domain of F has an image. Here satisfies the first condition. Satisfies the another condition. The image has unique. The pre-image 1 has an image of 3. Only one element. What is unique? Only one element. Only one element. Unique means only one. So satisfies the two statement. So the given function, the given arrow diagram is a function. It is a function. Hence it is a function. Okay. What is the another one example? 1, 2, 3. This is function or not. What is the statement of function? Satisfies the two statements. Every element in the domain F has an image. Here, 1 has an image of 3 and 4. What is the condition of function statement? The image is unique. Here, 2 more images are the pre-image of 1. So, this condition not satisfied. So, the given arrowgram, it is not a function. Okay? Are you understand? Whether it is the given function, the given statement, or the given arrow diagram, or the given ordered pair is a function or not, immediately answer to the given statement satisfies two statements. Very, very, very important. This is only two important points. What is the first point? Every element in the domain of F has an image. The another one, the image has unique. First, detailed explained in function. Next, we are going to testing for function. The given arrow diagram or the given statement, is it function or not? How to calculate, how to conclude the given statement function or not. So, check function or not. How to test applying the given statements. So, testing for function. Representation by arrow diagram. To create, what is this? This is arrow diagram. What is this? This is domain. What is this? This is codomain. This is domain. The another one is codomain. The element is arrow diagram with P. The element A is arrow to P, B to Q, C to R. The given arrow diagram is function or not. Verify the given arrow diagram function or not. This is function or not. Is it function or not? How to calculate function or not. Already the important 2 points satisfies the 2 points the given arrow diagram is function. So or not. First, what is the first statement? Function. Every element has a domain, has an image of P, has an element of P. So the first statement is okay. A to P, B to Q, C to R. Second one, each element of domain has a unique element in codomain. Is it okay? Okay. All the domain values, all the domain entries A, B, C are a unique element with codomain. So A to P, P to Q, C to R. Is it function or not? Satisfies the 2 conditions. So the given arrow diagram, it is a function. It is a function. Okay. The another one. This is domain. First one is domain. Another one, codomain. Right? The domain, what are the values? 1, 2, 3. Here M, P, N. Alphabets and numerical values connected with 2 of them. So 1 to M, 2 to P, 3 to N. So 2 statements satisfies domain with codomain. One has a image of M has an image of 1, P has an image of 2, N has an image of 3. 1 pre-image, M is a image, 2 has a pre-image, P has a image, 3 has a pre-image connected with N has a image. So it is a function or not? Yes, it is function. It is a function. One more example, the third one. This is domain. This is codomain. Codomain, right. What are the values of domain? A and B are domain values. Codomain X, Y, Z. The given arrow diagram. Is it function or not? Verify the 2 function statements. The first statement, every element of domain has a unique image. 1 and 2 short by each element has a unique image with codomain. Satisfies the condition in the given example. A has a pre-image of X. B has a pre-image of Y, and also B has a pre-image of Z. The second condition, B has a only one unique image is called function. Here not satisfied. B has a 2 more images. So what is the conclusion? It is not a function. It is not a function. Okay. One more arrow diagram. Discuss about to find domain, codomain, range. What is this? This is arrow diagram is given. Find domain, codomain, and range. How to find? The arrow diagram is given. What is codomain? The set capital X is called domain. What is the value of domain? 1, 2, 3, 4 is called domain. What is the codomain? The set of all Y. Y is called codomain. Codomain is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. What is range? What is range? The set of all Y, all the elements of Y is called codomain, but only connected with pre-image. Only connected with the pre-image of elements is called range. What are the elements? 2, 4, 6, 8. Only connected with domain elements of Y is called range. What are the elements? 2, 4, 6 and 8 is called range. Next, we are going to many type of functions. Okay. Next, types of functions. What are the types? One-to-one function. 1, 1. What is this? One-to-one function. Many-to-one function. Different type of functions are there. What are the functions? First one, one-to-one function, many-to-one function, on-to function. Next, finally, into function. What are the types? One-to-one function. What is this Fn? A shorthand of function. In the Fn is called function. So one-to-one function, many-to-one function, on-to function, into function. First of all, the given statement, function or not. It is a function. What is the given function? What type of function? The question arises, the given statement, function or not. First to find function or not. Next, what type of function are given? So, any question arise in 2 mark question, function or not, you should be answered. You should be answered first. It is a function or not. It is a function. Whether it is function. This function, what type of function? One-to-one function, or many-to-one function, or on-to function, or into function. Right. Already studied in the definition of function. What is the main point? One more time recalling function. Every element has a unique image. Every element of domain has a unique element in B, codomain. B means codomain. Second one, every element has a unique image. Every element of A means domain. Every element of A has a unique image in B. So satisfies the 2 conditions, the given statement. First of all, function. The given statement is function. What type of function? One-to-one function, or many-to-one function, or on-to function, or into function. What do you mean by one-to-one function? What is the definition? A function f from A to B. A function f from A to B. What is a function f from A to B? F from A to B means this is a domain. This is codomain. Connected with, that is function. This is A. This is B. F from, F means function from A to B. This is notation of function. F from A to B is called one-to-one function. A function, a given function. What is A? A is a domain. B is a codomain. What is F? F is a function. A function F from A to B is called one-to-one. The given function is called one-to-one. If means satisfies the given conditions. Satisfies the given condition. What is the condition, sir? A function F from A to B is called one-to-one function. Satisfies if means satisfies the given conditions. If distinct elements, distinct means different. Distinct element of A have distinct images in B. Okay? Listen. A function F from A to B is called one-to-one function. The given function is one-to-one, satisfies the given condition. What is the condition? Distinct element of A. A means domain. Distinct element of codomain have distinct images in codomain. Right. What is the meaning, sir? For example, what is this? This is A. A is domain. What is this? This is B. B is called codomain. Satisfies the following conditions. What are the conditions? Distinct elements 1, 2, 3 or 3, 4 are elements in A. This is a distinct element. This is distinct element of B. Distinct element, different elements has an image of B. One has an image. What is the value of image of 1 is A. Image of 2 is B. Image of 3 is C. Image of 4 is D. 1, 2, 3, 4 are elements in domain. All the elements has a image. What type of image? Same image in two elements? No. All the elements of A has a distinct image of B. So, this type of function is called one-to-one function. What type of function is called one-to-one function? Distinct element in A is a function with distinct element of B is called one-to-one function. Okay, right? I explained one more example. This is A, domain. This is B, codomains. Here, connected with two elements. One has connected with B, 2 has connected with B, 3 has connected with D, 4 connected with E. Here, 4 has only one image. 3 has only one image. The image of 4 is E. The image of 3 is D. The image of 1 is B. The image of 2 is B. What is given? 2 element in domain is connected with codomain of the image of B. So, f of 1 is equal to B. F of 2 is equal to B. First of all, it is a function or not. The given arrow diagram, it is function. But what type of function? It is not one-to-one function. One-to-one function means every distinct element of codomain is connected with distinct element of B. Here, it is a distinct element? No. Distinct element. One element has an image of another part of codomain. Here, 2 of them connected with codomain of the image B. So, what is this? This is function. First of all, this is function, but not one-to-one function. Okay, that's all. Next, the another type of function, many to one function. What is the definition? A function f from a to b is called many to one function if, what is the condition, sir? Two or more elements of A have same image in B. Two or more elements of A, two or more, two elements of A have same image in B, two of them, P1 and P3 have a same image in G1, same image G1. P2 and P4 has a same image G2. What is this? Satisfies this condition? Yes, it is satisfies the given condition. So, this is what type of functions are. First of all, it is a function, but what type of functions are? This is many to one function. Many elements in connected with codomain of image, only one image is called many to one function. Okay? Next, we are going to onto function. Already explained one to one function and many to one function. Next, we are going to onto function. What is the definition of onto function? A function f from a to b, a function f from a to b is said to be onto function if, what is the condition of onto function? What is the condition, sir? This is the given condition. The range of f is, the range of f is equal to the codomain of f. What is the condition, sir? Very, very important condition. The range of f is equal to the codomain of f. Range of f is equal to codomain of f. The range value of the given function f is equal to the codomain value of f, both of them same element, both of them same element is called range. What is range? Range of the given function is equal to number of range elements is equal to number of codomain elements are same. That is onto function. It satisfies the given condition. The range of f is equal to the codomain of f is satisfies this function is called onto function. In other words, the function f from a to b is an onto function. A function f from a to b is an onto function. Then the range f is equal to b. In other words, f of a equal to b. What is the mean? Range value of codomain, range value of codomain is equal to codomain value is called onto function. Right? What is the example of onto function? What is the example? The domain values x, y, z, the codomain values are L, M, N. The pre-image of M is x. The pre-image of y or N is y. Then finally image of z has L. So what is this? All the elements of domain is connected with codomain. So the codomain values, codomain equal to what? Codomain is equal to L, M, N. What is range? Range is also, what is range? How to find range? Or the connected elements of B connected with pre-image elements of B is called range. What are the range elements? L, M, N is also range values. So, what is the conclusion? Codomain is equal to range. Codomain value is equal to range values. So, these two are equal. Satisfies range is equal to codomain. The given function is called onto function. Okay? This is a onto function. Next, we are going to into function. Into function. What is the another name of into function? Not onto function is also known as into function. Not onto function is also known as into function. What is the definition, sir? What is the definition of into function? A function f from a to b is called an into function. A function f from a to b is called an into function. Satisfies the given conditions. What is the condition, sir? If there exists at least one element in B, at least one element in B which is not the image of any element in A. What is the meaning, sir? Any element of codomain, any element of codomain, any element of codomain, not the image of any element in A, not the element of, not the image value in A, that is not onto function. Not onto function means into function. So, what is the meaning? Any element in B, for example, Y has an element in B. Y is not connected with the pre-image of domain. A is not, no arrow diagram. No arrow diagram. Only element Y is not connected with the domain A. This type of function is called into function. Into function is also known as not onto function. What is the example? For example, this is domain 1, 2, 3. What is this? This is codomain. What is the domain values? 1, 2, 3 are domain values, and W, X, Y, Z are codomain values. 1 is connected with the W, 2 is connected with the Z, 3 is also connected with the X. All are has a pre-image. Every element in B has a pre-image. W is also connected with 1. X is also connected with 3. Z is also connected with 2, but not Y. Y belongs to B. Y belongs to B is not an image of any element in A. Y is not an image of any element within A. So, this type of function, first of all, it is a function. What type of functions are? Here, the element Y is not connected with domain A. So, this purpose reason. So, but this is example for into function. What is the reason? This type of function is going to go to into function. Why? Any one element in B is not connected with A. This type of function is called into function. Students, next we are going to 2 more questions. Today, first explained the definition of function. Next, representing arrow diagrams. Third one, type of functions. First, how to find a function. I explained function details and also explains what type of functions. One-to-one function, one-to-one function, on-to function, many-to-one function, into function. All are well studied in my class, today class. Next, we are going to 2 more questions. First 2 more questions. What is given? The 2 sets. First of all, the question is given. How to find answer? Only discuss about 2 points. 1 point. What is given? What are the given points? First note that the given points. Next, how to find this question? What is the question? The question, R is a function. Show that R is a function. Show that R is a function. Show that means prove that. Prove the given set, the given ordered pair R is function. Right. Next question. Find its domain and codomain and range. So what is given? The set X is given and also Y is given. Right. First, what is X? X is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, Y is equal to what? Y is given 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. The 2 sets are given and also relation between the 2 sets R is given. The set of all ordered pair R is equal to, what is this? Set of all ordered pairs. This is already studied and also explained in your in the first chapter topic, relations. What is this? This is a relation with the X and Y. What is this? What is this relation? R is equal to 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 6 and 4, 8. What is the first question, sir? The given set of all ordered pairs R is function. R is function. How to prove, sir? Right. First to draw the arrow diagram. First to draw the arrow diagram. What is this? This is X. What is this? The another one set is Y. What is this? This is domain. What is this? Codomain. What are the domain elements? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What are the codomain elements? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 are called codomain values. What is the relation? Relation between the ordered pairs. What are the first ordered pair? 1, 2. 1, 2 means 1 is connected with 2. What is this? This is type of arrow diagram. This set of all ordered pair is another form of arrow diagram. 1 is connected with 2. What is this? These 2 are same. So 1, 2 means set of all ordered pairs. The arrow diagram domain is connected with codomain is also known as arrow diagram. Both are same. 1, 2, 2 to 4, 3 to 6, 4 to 8. Right. First to draw the arrow diagram. To draw the arrow diagram. Right. It is this arrow diagram is a function or not. Each and every element of X has an image of Y. The image of 1 is 2. The image of 2 is 4. The image of 3 is 6. The image of 4 is 8. All the elements of domain is connected with codomain. So this is the function, or is the statement, the arrow diagram is function or not? Yes, it is function. How? All the element has a pre-image, all the elements has an image of y. So the given function, the given relation R, it is a function. So R is a function, right? Any question or arise, what type of function are here? No. So some questions, what type of function are there? This is what type of function? This is one-to-one function. This is one-to-one function. So this is the first question is answered, right? What is the second question? Domain. What is the value of domain? All the elements of X is called domain. What is the value of domain, sir? 1, 2, 3, 4 is domain. 1, 2, 3, 4 is domain. Next question, codomain. What is the value of codomain? All the elements of Y, all the set of all the elements of Y is called codomain. What are the values, sir? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 is called codomain. What are the ranges, sir? Only connected with pre-image. Only connected elements of Y in the previous domain values. What are the values, sir? 2, 4, 6, 8 is called range. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay? This is a first 2 mark question. Next, we are going to the another 2 mark question. What is the question, sir? A relation f is defined by f of x is equal to x square minus 2. F of x is equal to x square minus 2, where x belongs to minus 2, minus 1, 0, 3. Right. There are 2 questions are arised. What is the first question? List the elements of f. What are the elements of f? F means range values. List the elements of f means range values. Range values. Second question is f a function? If the given set, the given f is function or not? Whether it is check satisfies the function statement, is it function? It is a function. Otherwise, it is not a function. Okay. What is the given point? First, what is given? F of x is equal to x square minus 2. Okay. Right? What is this? A. Domain. What is this? B. Codomain. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 to 5, 2 to 6, 3 to 7, 4 to 8. Okay. F of 1 equal to 5. F of 2 is equal to 6. F of 3 is equal to 7. F of 4 is equal to 8. What is this? This is arrow diagram. What is this? Is also a, the 1, 2, 3, 4 is called domain values. These all are called domain values. What is this? This all are called 5, 6, 7, 8 is codomain. And also codomain is equal to range is called is what type of function? Onto function. So next, what is the question? list the elements of f, the value of f. So elements of f means list the range value. List the f elements means list the range value. How to find the range values? Substitute in the given function the value of x, putting the x value, getting the answer is called list of f function. Are you understand? Are you understand? Cleared the statement. I cleared the statement. First of all, substitute the x values. Getting the value is called list of f. Right? What is the given value of x? X is given where x is equal to -2, -1, 0, 3. Substitute x is equal to -1. F of -1 is equal to -1 the whole square -2 is equal to what? Right. -1 whole square means -1 into -1 equal to what? Minus into minus plus 1 into 1, 1. So -1 whole square means 1. 1 minus 2 is equal to what? -1. F of -2 the whole square, 4 minus 2, 2. Next, -1. -1 the whole square minus 2 is equal to 1 minus 2 is equal to -1. Next, f of 0. 0 square minus 2 is equal to 0 square 0 minus 2 is equal to -2. Next, the value of substitute x is equal to 3 is equal to 3 square minus 2. 3 square equal to what? 9. 3 square means 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. What is this? It's also a arrow diagram. -2, -1, 0, 3. Put the value of x is called domain. Getting the values 2, -1, -2, 7 are called codomain. So list of f values. What is the value of f? F is equal to 2, -1, -2, 7. This is the answer of first question. Second question. Is f a function? Is f a function? First, to draw the arrow diagram. What is the value of x? -2, -1, 0, 3. This is x. What is the value of y? Getting the values, getting the range 2, -1, -2, 7. 2 to 2, -1 to -1, 0 to -2, 3 to 7. What is this? Arrow diagram. All the elements of x has an image with the range y. So what is function or not? It is a function. What type of functions are? This is a onto function. How? All the range codomain values of y is equal to range value. So this is onto function. First of all, it is a function, and also a what type of functions are? This is onto function. Okay. The second question is over. Next, go to the third 2-mark question. Third 2-mark question. What is given? The function is given. F of x is equal to 2x minus x square. F of x is equal to 2x minus x square. Right. There are raised the 3 questions. First question. What is the value of f of 1? Second question. What is the value of f of x plus 1? Third question. What is the value of f of x plus f of 1? Right. The first question. Right. Substitute the value of x is equal to 1. Find f of 1. How to find sir? Substitute the values of x is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 1. That implies f of 1 is equal to 2 into 1 minus 1 square is equal to 2 1 is 2, 1 square 1, 2 minus 1, 1. Right. Next, second question. Find f of x plus 1. Put x is equal to x plus 1. That implies f of x plus 1. X is equal to x plus 1. So, 2 into x plus 1 minus, what is the value of x? X is equal to x plus 1. X plus 1, the whole square. Okay? Right? Is equal to 2 into x plus 1 multiplied by 2 in the parenthesis values. So 2 into x, 2x, 2 into 1, 2, 2x plus 2 minus x plus 1 the whole square. What is the form? This is identity of a plus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square is equal to what? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Here, the a plus b whole square form of x plus 1 the whole square. So equal to what? X square plus 2 into x into 1 plus 1 square equal to what? X square. 1 2 is 2, 2x plus 1 square 1. So 2x plus 2 minus, what is the expansion of x plus 1 whole square is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1 in front of minus only 1 term, no problem. Here the abbreviation of the identity of x plus 1 whole square expanded form in 3 terms, but you used parenthesis x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 2x plus 2 multiplied by minus x square minus 2x minus 1. Simplify first the x square term, first to right x square term minus x square minus 2x plus 2x get cancelled. What is the remainder value? Plus 2 minus 1. So subtract 2 minus 1 plus 1. So what is the value of f of x plus 1? F of x plus 1 is equal to minus x square plus 1. Third question. Third one. Find f of x plus f of 1. F of x is equal to what? F of x plus f of 1. F of x is equal to 2x minus x square. What is the value of f of 1? Already find the value of f of 1. F of 1 equal to what? F of 1 is equal to 1. Substitute f of 1 is equal to 1. So what is the value? Minus x square plus 2x plus 1. Here f of x plus f of 1 is equal to minus x square plus 2x plus 1. F of x plus 1 is equal to minus x square plus 1. What is the conclusion? F of x plus 1 is not equal to f of x plus f of 1. That's all.